All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're gonna do a little bit of modding to the interior. It's nothing too crazy. I went ahead and put in some LED lights for my car. Um, I recorded that earlier. It was like pitch black when I did it. I haven't really checked the footage because I haven't really edited this video yet. But hopefully it turns out okay. I did do it, of course, in the dark. That way you could see the difference between non-LED and LED. But whatever. On to the next one. Today, or right now, what I'm going to do is put in some USB ports into my car. Currently, I hope this lighting's okay. Currently, I have those little lighter, USB plug-in things. Actually, I got it right here. It just looks tacky to me, Got it right here, which is it's nice, but it's just having the lighter socket there. I don't smoke. I don't need a lighter socket, and it's kind of outdated nowadays. Um, so hopefully we'll bring it into the year 2020 with one of these. It is a USB port. It comes with two, just because one of them, if I get this, because one of these is going to be a direct plug-in for the Apple CarPlay. If I ever just want to hook up my phone to charge it and use Apple CarPlay, then the other one's going to be used just for charging. So yeah, we're going to be putting this in. Hopefully it runs smoothly. Hopefully it fits. It says it's a universal fit, but hopefully it fits. If not, then I guess we'll have to drill out the lighter hole thing. Also, thought this is pretty cool. So this is the new LEDs that I bought for my car. It came just like this. Wasn't really too crazy, but these are the LEDs I bought for my last car, which was a Ford F-150. But just to show you, Ford Escape. I don't know if that's gonna come up on the screen, but it's cool because if you look, that's my car now. Subaru. Huh. What are the odds? Yeah. So not that. Let's go put this in. But another reason I wanted to put this in, brought the car out for better lighting. I feel awkward talking into the camera in front of people, so this is kind of weird for me. But another reason I want to change this, I think I mentioned it earlier when I did the LEDs, but this is what I plug into now when I want to hook up my phone to charge it and use it for the wired CarPlay. It just looks tacky to me, right? Like I like to pride myself in having a clean car. Well, except for now, I'm letting it get dirty a little bit more than usual, so I can do like a good transformation of me washing the car and cleaning it, which will be coming soon. But yeah, here's what I'm talking about. That looks. Turn this mic around. Hope this is better. Can't really tell, of course, but that looks so tacky, doesn't it? And then this thing, which is cool, like plug it up, but I don't want to have to hold on to it. Plus, I don't know if this is all cars or if this is just my car, but it's got a hole back here. I'm kind of afraid. Oh, okay, doesn't fit, doesn't fall. But yeah, anyways, this is good. It's good, valuable storage space, and it's being used up by this ugly cable right here. If I can just do that. Yeah. So that's mainly what I'm trying to get rid of, because you guys can probably see I like having the clean, seamless look, which is why I got this thing. Splurged a little bit. I don't like the single dins. Those look tacky. And I don't like the big double dins that have the big buttons on it or whatever. Again, that looks super tacky. But this is nice. Got these little buttons on it because I still like to feel, I like the tactile feeling of, turning up and down the volume. Because when I'm driving, I'm not looking at the screen, trying to find the button, see if it's working, whatever. Actually, I'll do a review on this because there is one thing that I hate about this thing. But other than that, it's cool. But anyways, back to what this video is about. Let's change this out. There it goes. Look how. Oh, what's going on? Why isn't this opening all the way? Uh-oh. That's gonna get annoying. Well, let's figure that out. We're already in here, right? Let's see. It's probably this cable right here. There it went. It's just a cable. Yeah, guys, look at that. Check it out, man. That is freaking nice. Ooh. That's it for this video. It wasn't really much work. I honestly thought it was going to be a lot more intense than that, or at least a lot more work. But it honestly took me like 15 minutes. And then when I edit this, it's probably only going to be like a 4-minute video. I don't know. We'll see. But thanks for sticking around. If you guys want to see like a review of the head unit, I'll probably be doing that since this video was so short. I have a lot more time than I thought I had. But I'll put that somewhere down below. And if you guys want this head unit or this USB jack thing extension that I just put in, I'll link it down below in the description. And thanks for coming by. See you in the next one.